So in my homeschool supplies haul video, I mentioned making Kayleigh a chore chart or a star chart. I made the whole chart. I guess you would call it a DIY chart because I couldn't find one that was, that was pretty, that was super girly and that I liked, and I kind of wanted to make my own tasks, so I didn't want anything preset, but I also wanted the ability to change them up, so you'll see what I mean. But I have the whole video on start to finish on how I made the star chart and then Kayleigh's reaction, and let's get into the video. would you call it, a star inside of a pentagon? Or should I just leave it, like that? Star. Pentagon. I don't want to confuse her, but it's way easier to cut them this way. This takes so much time. And I'm always that person that has to cut and then laminate. I have to cut twice. I don't know why. Kayleigh, I got a surprise.
What is it?
It's your star chart. What do you think?
Pretty.
You already got it. It's pretty?
Yeah.
You already got a star. Do you know what that says?
KK.
It says Kayleigh's star chart. And we have Monday through Sunday. And we have stars. And Mommy still has to finish the rest of them, but I'm waiting for them to come in the mail. What does that say?
Monday.
Monday. Good job. All right, that was yesterday. So did you go potty and wash your hands?
Yeah.
All right, give yourself a star. Good job. Did you listen to Mommy and Daddy?
Yeah.
All right, get another star. Did you whine or cry?
No.
All right, get another star. Did you share and play nicely with Sydney?
Yeah.
You did. All right. Did you help fold and put away the laundry?
Yeah.
Good job. And did you clean up toys and school supplies?
Yeah.
Good job. You did such a good job, babe. Get your star chart right here. Except the little stars fell off a little bit. You're gonna play with Sissy? All right, well, there's her star chart. I'm gonna finish those stickies once they come in the mail. They should be here today. So we will see and have the rest for the week. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.